See, we're sorting out some new nice luxury rooms for you. We're sorting out a section in the hotel. There's 5 rooms we're doing in this section, which we're totally renovating while we've got a chance in the winter, which will be a great addition to 2021, which will be a good year hopefully for everybody. In this room we've got king and single sea view, as you see, which is being renovated, new lighting and obviously carpets, curtains and everything. We've got another room which is a double room, which is in the same section, which has been reconfigured, and again with all brand new fittings in there. We've got another room down the corridor again, which is a king and single, which has been fitted with new bathroom, new curtain, carpets and everything, replastered and everything, the highest standards again, which will be a new addition. And we've got the family room, which is overlooking the back of the hotel, which is again being reconfigured just for modern standards, just to bring a higher end to our accommodation. We've also got other rooms which we are renovating in this section and corridors. And there'll be other rooms in the hotel which will be also just redecorating.